Hey, what's up? I'm Trey, and today I'm here with Rit Dye to show you how to use that color remover. Ever wanted to give your old piece of clothing a new life? Rit Color Remover is a great tool for removing or reducing existing color from a fabric, giving you a fresh canvas for dyeing to a true color. It can also be used to reverse tie-dye. Plus, it's fantastic for getting rid of dye stains and food stains. If you're interested in brightening your colors or removing discolorations from your whites, be sure to check out our other laundry treatments, like Whiten and Brightener and White Wash. Color Remover works best on natural fabrics, such as cotton, linen, wool, ramie, and rayon. What's great about Rit Color Remover is that it's chlorine-free, unlike traditional bleach. This means it won't damage or deteriorate any of your fabrics, making it safe for dye afterwards. But just a heads up, Color Remover won't remove patterns, prints, and indigo from your jeans. For today, we're going to experiment with removing color from these 3 shirts. Let's dive in. First things first, let's make sure we're working in a well-ventilated area. Open any windows or turn on the fan to keep the air circulating. Next, gather your supplies. You'll need Rit Color Remover, a pot, a stove top, and tongs. Also, make sure the fabric that you're treating is pre-washed in depth. This helps the color remover work more effectively. Start by filling the pot with enough water for the fabric to move freely and heat to just below boiling, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. When the water's hot, add the color remover and stir until it's fully dissolved, and keep the water at a low simmer. Now, wring out the damp fabric and add it to the pot. Stir the fabric continuously to help evenly remove the colors. Some fabric will lose their color within 10 minutes, while others may take up to 20 minutes. If you're looking for additional color removal, we suggest repeating this process with another packet of color remover. Once the fabric turns white or off-white, carefully remove it and rinse it in warm water. Then gradually rinse with cool water until the rinsed water runs clear. Now you have a perfect blank canvas, ready to be dyed into any color you can imagine. Here's a look at how we transformed these shirts. Finally, wash the fabric in warm water with mild detergent and rinse thoroughly. For more tips and tricks on dyeing your fabric now that you remove the color, check out our other tutorials. Catch you guys next time.